एटमॉस्फेयर, यहाँ का माहौल जो है बहुत पॉजिटिव है, बहुत इट फील्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट अ ब्लेसिंग टू परफॉर्म इन दिस स्पेस वेयर सो मेनी पॉजिटिव intentions are aligning at the same time. It's one thing where we audience, as the performers, we perform, but the audience was also simultaneously performing with us, just on the other side. So it felt like it was not like 10 of us performing, it felt like all thousands of us were performing, and that was possible because of this beautiful space. And also that the beauty of art, I think it breaks down barriers, और कला हम सबको जोड़ता है. And dancing in front of Gurudev was a very special experience.
It made our day. It was unbelievable. Gurudev was sitting right in front of us and watching us, and I thought he was blessing us all the time. And I'm honored, and I'm very, very glad and the happiest person in the world today that I could dance with my family, my daughter-in-law, my granddaughter, my grandniece, and it is very unusual. And Gurudev was right there in front of us, and I had goosebumps all the time while dancing, and it gave us a different type of positive energy, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Bhavayanti iti bhavaha. So bhav is there everywhere, though it is a technical presentation or thematic presentation. Though this was a technical presentation, but the bhav between us, the family, the dancers, I think anybody could have watched it, experienced it, because it is not just I'm dancing with other four fellow dancers. It is never like that. You have to have some affection, some caring attitude in you, and then only you can dance together. So first in technical, this was the bhav, and after that, we made each other dance, and that was really, it was really very nice, because someone says that you go and do a solo, somebody said you go and do duet. So it is a part of bhav. And of course on 25th we are presenting again, and we'll be presenting one technical, and I'll be presenting solo bhajan, and there you will witness the bhakti bhav through my bhajan.
Yes, so the bhav that we depicted today was Tarini. We wanted to invoke Ma Durga's blessings before we started, and it was such a pleasure, and I feel extremely blessed to have had the opportunity to perform in front of Gurudev. I think there was a different kind of energy that we kind of all of us experienced here. To be very honest, when Gurudev himself walked inside, I just felt like I was watching Ma Shakti come inside. I felt very, very emotional for many reasons. That's because I lost my grandmother recently in the month of September, and she's an ardent devotee of Gurudev. All of a sudden, last month, I got a call from Ashram saying that I'm receiving an award, and I got to perform in front of Gurudev, so I think it's a sheer blessing.
तो पहले तो बहुत मैं मेरा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि यहाँ पर जैसे आपने देखा एक मंच ऐसा होना चाहिए जहाँ पर देश भर से और दुनिया भर से लोग आए भी थे देखने, जो जिन भी कलाकारों ने अपनी कला को प्रस्तुत किया. और सबसे मज़ेदार बात ये थी कि कोई भेदभाव नहीं था, सब ने अपनी कला को पेश किया. और इतनी रियाजी मतलब कलाकारों को देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे जगहों पे आप जाते हैं और सिफारिश से कोई आता है या फिर किसी के कहने के वजह से कोई स्टेज पे मंच पे आता है. But I thought that every artist over here that came and presented their art form, whether it was classical, folk, modern, contemporary and a fusion, everyone did a fantastic job. And I think that there was no discrimination, there was no bias, there was only beauty in its truest form, which is art. And art has the power to break barriers, and that's what we did. Everybody had a different art form, everybody had a different bhav, as you see. It's called bhav. और मेरे को तो बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी गई थी, सौंदर्य भाव. तो मैंने कहा मेरी मम्मी ने ही चूज़ किया है कि मैंने क्या पहना, क्या प्रस्तुत किया. तो और मेरे गुरु थे यहाँ पर, तो आई एम वेरी वेरी ब्लेस्ड कि आई कुड डू दिस.
डिस्क्रिमिनेशन की बात तो आपने की.
हाँ, बट मेरा ये होता है कि जिस भी मंच पे मुझे मौका मिलता है, मैं वहाँ कभी शर्माती इतराती नहीं हूँ मेरा पूरा हुनर दिखाने के लिए. तो यहाँ पर मुझे ये अच्छा लगा क्योंकि हमने आज ये 3 दिन का मेडिटेशन प्रोग्राम भी किया है। तो यहाँ पर एक जो कहते हैं एक माहौल जो है वो बहुत ही एकांत का, एक बहुत ही पीसफुल जो इसे कहते हैं ऑरा बनी हुई है। तो यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करना, देखिए आपको वाटरफॉल फाउंटेन की आवाज़ आ रही है, आपको चिड़ियाओं की आवाज़ आती है, यू कैन सी द यू आर अंडर द स्टार्स, लिटरली यू आर अंडर द स्काई परफॉर्मिंग। सो दैट ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर and the peace and the calm, I think that combination was fantastic.